you doing? I'm Kirk.
And I'm Chely.
Come on in and see our bus.
So this is it.
Got the greeter.
Oh, this is one of our girls, Missy.
Yep, and this is Cece. And they travel with us.
Well, this is our kitchen. We have a little hot water heater underneath here to run everything with. Basic sink. We have a little toast oven we do our cooking on and a little hot plate.
Some storage in here.
Definitely storage.
We're vegan, so we eat fruits and vegetables.
Plant-based diet. And actually one of our thrills that we have in the summertime is right here. We have an air conditioning cutout. A little window unit. We'll pop open the side window here, the emergency exit, pop it in there, click it together, and off we go in the summertime. It cuts down, unfortunately we still have to run the generator and all that. And
We don't have solar.
yet.
One of the things that we wanted to have on here, but not yet.
Not yet. And I forgot one of the most important things. The best kicker of the bus of all is this beautiful rooftop deck. Fully accessible from right here. Put our little ladder right here on the side.
I'm not sure you used long enough screws.
Oh my goodness. It was either that or the shortest ones, and it was no good.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is our beautiful dream here. And we can continue on to the back.
Well, I like the shelving.
The shelving is, the shelving's all, and everything is all 3/4 birch plywood. Made out of everything nice and strong. Everything, the shelving is just, my brother's a real good carpenter, and he helped us put it together as quick as we could, and we've been in it since last June.
The end of June.
End of last June, and we've just been traveling across the country so far, and
Just north and east so far.
so far.
Back to the south.
Our beautiful picnic basket, more shelving, apartment style refrigerator here. Keeps everything we need. Beautiful. And this is our beautiful bathroom, our shower, and what we have here? Small pantry / linen closet.
Mm-hmm.
And this is our bedroom.
Got lots of space to walk over here. We just have some storage stored over there, like everybody I think that lives on a bus.
Knows.
On
Well, definitely queen size bed, and under the queen size bed we have a 100-gallon freshwater tank.
this side and the center.
On this side in the
bus.
center, and on the other side is up for storage, tools. Have a compressor down there and all, run air tools and all that good stuff. And under our steps here, we have 12-volt water pump, water filtration system under there, all PEX plumbing running through here to run the shower and the sink. And that's it. We have a
But
great
we're not
water
going to
tank.
take all that down, so you just have to take our word for it that you can't see it. But it's there.
I believe you.
And the same thing, the shelving is all 3/4 birch, and just, we love all the space.
Right.
It gives so much more space, and we ride just as you see it. We'll put our little salt lamp down for the ride. Everything else dries as is. It's wonderful.
Yep. And air conditioning just for the bed.
Oh, I'm sorry,
bedroom
the
is nice.
for the back. Yeah, the back. Yeah, we actually, it's a little illusion I've actually seen on Schoolie Nation. You kind of push more into the inside, and you build a little bit around it, and I love it. From here to the midsection, beautiful
that
at
one
night.
stays put.
Yeah, that one's going nowhere until it conks out. But yeah, we love it, and I wouldn't do it any other way. Not now.
Well, thank you for the tour. And if people want to contact you, the best way would be
Instagram. We don't really have a lot of bus stuff on there, but we're just kind of getting going with that. So it's Act Natural, Be Kind.
Act Natural, Be Kind. Beautiful.
Well,
thank you so much for stopping and seeing us.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig. And join us again next Saturday for another episode.